Now jump.
You're just a big bunch of babies.
Alright, I'm here with my bros. We're about to go play a little disc golf action. So we're walking to this park. These guys like
20 minutes.
what are you burping for?
I think to go.
These guys like going to the park for some reason. Right, guys?
We like playing disc golf.
So we're gonna go there right now, and you're gonna see us play a little bit of disc golf in just a second. All right, guys. Which side of the road are you supposed to walk on? The left side or the right side?
The left.
Why? What's the reason that we're supposed to walk on the left?
Because if the cars come at us, it's facing forward so we can jump out of the road.
Uh-huh. What about if you walk on the wrong side, on the right side?
You'll get hit in the butt.
So, we're over here walking to this park. And how long we been walking, guys?
1 mile.
Huh?
An hour.
Man, I feel like we've been walking forever, man.
A mile.
To walk to this thing.
Hour.
Hey, look, now we walking in the middle of the road. Oh, my soul. All right, guys.
Watch the pea things.
All right, yeah. Oh, that was a good one. All right, teach me how to do the roller. Just do it that way. Oh, that's cool. How'd you do that? Teach me. Tell me.
What you do is you put your fingers like that, and you basically just throw it down like that.
All right. We're about to go bowling. Y'all ready? Let's get it.
Hey guys,
Speed bowling.
right here. Video.
What's up, dude? How'd that first game go?
Pretty bad. But
What was your score?
I don't know what.
Man, it's right there. How you don't know your
70.
score?
I made 70.
57. Don't lie. 57, man.
57.
How about you, Richie?
73.
Yeah. Oh, he got that.
Yeah,
Oh, Richie. He said hit his leg. Nah, what an excuse. That's an excuse, man.
No, it's
That's an excuse, man. Let's see it, bro. He trying to eat all the Skittles, huh?
What did you say?
Do you want a Skittle?
No, it's off the seat.
Hey, it's frisbee golf, right?
Disc golf.
Not disc golf. Frisbee golf.
Disc golf.
Frisbee golf.
Let's see what he can do. Sick. This is your play.
Oh, yeah!
Yeah.
See it, Cash. You try. All right, we're at, what number is this?
6.
Number 6, and we just finished.
I don't know.
How'd that go, guys?
Bad.
And,
Good.
and young lady.
Bad. Good.
Went good? Went all right? You didn't like it, Kaylee?
It was okay.
You were terrible?
Do better.
She was terrible, guys.
We could do better, but...
All right. Richie, he got tired. He wanted to go ride the... What is that thing?
Ninja Park.
No. He wanted to ride the thing with those people. What were they called?
Four-wheeler.
The four-wheeler. He wanted to play with the four-wheeler people.
I want to go to the Ninja Park.
Yeah. And what about Cash? Cash, did you win?